Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda CR-V. We're talking about that generation here from year 2012 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those and you need to find where the fuses for the brake pumps are located, that's also known as a brake pump module or brake module fuse. Stay with us, we'll explain. You have multiple fuses that you need to check for the brake pump, where they're located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free, guys, for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CR-V from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that, guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual, often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means, guys. But something else, guys. Here at the garage, we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers, guys. We have videos that helped more than 350 million people, guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, another thing, guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses, guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here. Okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view, guys, of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So the brake module fuses, brake pump fuses, where they're located, guys, on a 2015 Honda CR-V. Let's explain right here now. You guys have two different fuse boxes, okay, and we'll be working in both of them today. Starting on the very inside of your Honda CR-V, on the driver's side, under the dash, guys. If you come right here, okay, you'll see under the dash above the pedals in the left side, if you look upside down, a fuse box that looks just like this one. This one right here is the fuse box layout. Before we guys continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here we need to check one fuse, then we need to go to a different fuse box and we need to check three more. So the fuse that we need to check, guys, is fuse number 24. We're talking about this 24 fuse number 24, 7.5 amp fuse. So then you need to go open the hood on your CR-V. This is your engine, car battery. This is the fuse box right here. Open that cover. You will see that fuse box layout here. This will be towards the front of the Honda CR-V, this is towards the windshield side. Now, here, guys, we need to check multiple, okay, fuses for the brake pump module. And the first fuse that we'll need to check, you may have it or you may not, depending on your configuration, is fuse number 9. Okay, ours, we don't have that one, fuse number 9. But you can have two more. And that's where it gets interesting. You have those multi-block fuses that consist of multiple fuses integrated in one big fuse. Like this one has 11 fuses, this one has 6, excuse me. That's what they look like on the side. You can see. Bad news is if one of them burns, you have to replace the whole fuse box. Good news, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from at a good price and quick shipping. Here we'll need to check, guys, okay, now starting on this side, and you count 1, 2, 3. Okay, right here, that fuse number 3, 40 amp fuse you need to check. If you come to that multi-block fuse here, you will, you will still stay at this one. You need to check number 4 as well. So 3 and 4, 40 and 20 amp fuse. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.